Hello world, Genergy on the ground here, surrounded by positive energy. Genergy, the luminaire that goes there from this lighting thing. But before continuing to get to work, I leave you a small reflection of these that I like. Look, there's a very fat, very big phrase out there that says that if you draw a person like what you think he is, that person is destined to be what you think he is. This works for good and bad, huh? Be careful, of course, if you treat her for what she may become. Neither you nor anyone else knows what that person can become. This is out there illustrated as Pygmalion's law. The self-fulfilling prophecy, believe me, it works, and it works fucking well. Is this famous? I usually see this illustration many times. This way for years of knowing that in those small towns of 300 small inhabitants, there was a child, a person, an adult, since they always called the boat the fool. Since he was little, he has been labeled for whatever reason, and that person emigrates. When in those 60s, he goes to the big city, he goes to work in a factory where he does repetitive work, he earns the same salary as the others. At first, he eats the sandwich separately, thinking no, but the others call him, integrate him, and he is a normal person. It's Don Pedro, he even becomes the president of the community of neighbors. But when he comes to town on vacation, he becomes the fool again, because everyone agrees. Be careful how we treat people, no one knows who they are, and above all, we are unique and unrepeatable. We continue.
Today, I feel like an eager child exploring a delightful assortment of new toys as I introduce to you our extensive and carefully curated range of luminaires coming your way.
Well, you've seen it. Our lighting catalog is extensive and has all the resources for all types of lighting. More information? Well, here on this page that you are seeing in this section, specifically that I am now showing, you are seeing what I am telling you. The lighting there, having the manual for each of them, the technical sheets, so that you can choose the one that best suits your needs. When in doubt, don't hesitate. Our email, my phone number, and my colleagues' contacts are all at your service to clarify uncertainties. This ensures your purchasing decision is well informed, and as I always remind you, learning is a journey we should never stop exploring.